Hello smart minds, welcome back to Abacus Plus series. Today we will revisit the ways to subtract 4. We can subtract 4 directly, applying 5's complements, less 5 add 1, applying 10's complements, less 10 add 6. Use the same formula in bigger numbers on 10's place, 100's place and so on. We will solve some subtraction problems to learn the formulas in details. Stay with us to explore new abacus tricks. Place 99, 1's place, 10's place, add 50 and 40, 90, add 5 and 4, 9. 99, subtract 14, less 1 from 10's place, less 4 from 1's place. Subtract 24, 2 from 10's place, 4 from 1's place. To subtract 4, use 5's complements, less 5, add 1. Now subtract 54, less 50 from 10's place, less 4 from 1's place, applying 10's complements, less 10, add 6, 5 and 1, 6. Value of the bits is 5 and 2, 7. Now we will apply the formulas in bigger numbers. Place 788, 1's, 10's, 100's place, 5 and 2, 7, 8 on 10's place, 5 and 3, 8, 8 on 1's place, 5 and 3, 8. 788. Subtract 441. We need to less 4 from 100's place, less 4 from 10's place and less 1 from 1's place. Less 4 from 100's place by using 5's complements. Less 5 add 1, same formula on 10's place, less 5 add 1 and less 1 from 1's place directly to subtract 441. Now we will subtract 45. Bits are pretty available to subtract 45. 4 from 10's place, 5 from 1's place to less 45. Now we will subtract 42. To subtract 42, we need to less 4 from 10's place and less 2 from 1's place. We can less 2 from 1's place, but we cannot less 4 from 10's place as no bits are available. Therefore, come to 100's place, less 100 and add 60, 50 and 10, 60 to less 40 and less 2 directly. In this way, we have subtracted 42. Value of the bits is 260. The answer is 260. Zoom the abacus this way. In today's lesson, we have learned again how to subtract 4 in different ways. To learn more abacus tricks, stay with us by doing like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. Coming back soon with an exciting lesson. Thank you for watching.